All right. Time to get them three back into our own yard. Specs, Boat Snack, Chickaletta, get in the yard. Get in the yard, guys. Look at them stubborn birds. Go on. In the yard. Into our own yard. Into our own yard. Into our own yard, not back of the next door neighbor's yard. Come on, guys. Yeah? And they're going into the neighbor's yard. Haha, gotcha. And they're in our own yard now. There they go. Oh, there's my sister. Now I'm going to walk over here. There you go, guys. See my pretty chickies? Well, that's all I've got right now. I wish I could hold it still, but, you know, ADHD. All right.